Too much disappointment. That too at a home ground. It's a very, very, very hard break for us.
It's the third match you're winning,
Yeah.
you're losing here.
Losing completely. I don't know. Maybe the home ground, the
What were
evil
you
eye.
hoping of?
We thought somewhat miracle can happen. Something we were wishing for, but it didn't.
Though RCB has a good batting lineup, did not.
Yeah, they have a good batting line, good bowling line, everything this time, especially this year. But we don't know. Something. Chinnaswamy is not hoping us.
अगर भी मैच हो पंजाब हमें पता होता कि बैटरी करेगी.
Disappointing, really. I think we should have bowled first. We should have won the toss. Just not winning the toss at home or anywhere for that matter. You need to win the toss, bro. If you're watching this, come on, man.
Time and again, it's the third match you lost here. Do you think some strategies need to be changed? You feel that?
I mean, I think it's all dependent on the toss again because bowling first, you need to bowl first to Chinnaswamy. Chasing is so easy here. I mean, as we've seen, even though the pitch was difficult later, they managed to pull it off, especially Nail, where there are what an innings today. But you know, you have to be able to win the toss and choose to bowl first. You know, you have to chase at Chinnaswamy.
She drew this. Yeah, we were supporting Kings 11 Punjab and she drew this on spot. Yeah.
Why do you hope that Shreyas could do well?
I hope because he's a good player. Yeah,
But how was the match today?
it was amazing.
With home match today, but it was again a disappointment. And anyway, since away matches we are winning, and we are hoping for the best in the Punjab, and in Chandigarh we're gonna win that next match.
So it's a revenge you're saying.
Yeah, I guess it's a kind of revenge in Delhi and in Chandigarh. Both the places we're gonna rock
Winning
it.
all three matches in the home ground.
Home ground next.
Losing.
Yeah, it's quite difficult for us to take it, and it's fine. We're gonna have that in next upcoming CSK and Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders, the three matches over there. Yeah, we're gonna come back very strong, and we are hoping that we'll do better in the away as well as in the home.
It was not good.
Why?
I mean, the batting could have been better. Livingstone didn't perform for the sixth match in a row. Yeah, and Tim David scored more than all the other 8 batters, which makes no sense because I feel like the batting order should pick up. They should drop Livingstone next match. The bowlers did an amazing job. They got it until the last 2 overs. So the bowling unit was really good, but the batting unit should pick it up, I feel.
Do you think the RCB team says we have a very good batting lineup and you're saying...
I feel like there's no depth in batting, right? They could have sent Padikkal today, but they didn't. And 4 wickets in, 5 wickets in, Krunal Pandya comes in. So where's the depth in the batting? If you see other teams, they have so much depth in their batting, but we lack that, I feel. But again, if we put someone else, then we lose out on our bowlers. So maybe something with their impact players, maybe that they should see. I feel that.
The batting, the opening partnership was not that great, which we used to get. And this is the third time which we are losing in the home crowd. That should.
So it's a home match.
Yeah. So, yeah, the toss was the main thing, which we lost. So that's okay.